Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva for Instagram posts, quick guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type Instagram post into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a variety of templates designed specifically for Instagram. Browse through the templates and choose one that resonates with your style or theme. Click on the chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Now, familiarize yourself with the editing panel on the left side of the screen. You can customize the background by selecting background and choosing a color or image. To edit the text, click on any text box in the template. Type your desired text and adjust the font, size, and color using the options in the top menu. You can also move text boxes by clicking and dragging them to your preferred location. To add new elements, click on the Elements tab on the left panel. Here, you can find shapes, icons, and illustrations to enhance your design. Drag your chosen elements onto your canvas and adjust their size and position as needed. If you want to upload your own images, click on the Uploads tab. Select Upload Media and choose the files you want to add from your device. Once uploaded, simply drag your images onto the design. When you are happy with your design, click on the Share button located in the top right corner. Choose the Download option to save your design. Select the file type you prefer, typically JPEG or PNG for Instagram posts. Click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Finally, head to your Instagram account to upload your new post. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.